Why should we hire you? Now this is a very important question asked in every interview. In this video, I will be explaining you that why this question is asked, how to prepare the answer for this question and some sample answers. Why this question is asked? They want to compare you with other candidates. Then you are the perfect person for the job or not. Then they want to judge your confidence level. They want to know whether you can sell yourself or not. How much research you have done about the company, so that they can see that what type of preparation you have done for the interview. For this you must go through the website of the company and also the job description. Job description is very important. You must know the role, responsibilities of the particular job for which you have applied. You must know what are the skills required. You must know the qualification required for that job, so that you can analyze yourself whether you are fit for the job or not. Then what are the areas in which you shine, so that you can enlist them and then you can show them about it. Then you must know what are your impressive accomplishments. This is very important. What are your achievements? Then what makes you different from the typical candidate? These type of questions you must ask yourself, give the answers, and I tell you this will make a very perfect answer for this question. Now let me explain some sample answers. I am reading it and then I will be explaining the highlighted points. As I am a fresher, I don't have work experience or practical knowledge, but I have theoretical knowledge in my field. Also, I have all the skills which your company looking for in this position. I really need a company like yours where I can explore my knowledge. If I got selected, it will be a great opportunity for me to work in this company. I will definitely work hard to achieve the goals and objective of the company, and this will really help me to enhance my skills and knowledge. Let me go through the second sample also. In this, I have thanked the authority for giving the opportunity to answer this question. So thanks for asking. I have all the skills listed in the job description, and I am confident that I can make an immediate impact on your company. My passion for the industry that drives me to succeed. If chosen for this role, I will continue to deliver high quality work for the continued success of your organization. Now, in these answers, you must see that I have given a win-win situation to the company as well as to the candidate. You have to highlight your skills, then your achievements, and you have to make a perfect match for the company, and then you have to appreciate what the company is offering you. Here I have made some sample answers which are very general one, but here you must highlight your skills which you really have, and then with that you must attach some achievements in the answer also. Then these are some pitfalls which you should always keep in mind, that your answer should be unique and separate from the other candidates, obviously. Then you should not sound overconfident and show off. Please, these 2 points should be kept in mind, because sometimes you are very rude when you are answering this question. Then don't memorize the script. Please, okay, you have prepared the answer, but you have learned it also, but your preparation should be so natural with expressions. Avoid talking too much in your response. This answer should not be more than 1 minute. If it is more than that, then it will look a very exaggerated one, and then maybe the interviewer will not take interest in you. So thank you so much. I think this video will help you out in drafting the answer for this question. So thank you so much.